Good morning, good morning, good morning. Say good morning, Domino. Say good morning. I have been up since 5 o'clock this morning, guys, editing. Trying to get a video out for you guys on Come On Homesteading today, but it is saying it's going to take hours just to export out of the computer. So I don't know if it'll get exported and uploaded to YouTube today or not, but if not, it'll be out Sunday. We got the lawnmowers out here lawnmowing. Got the other one laying up underneath my truck. I'm definitely gonna have to figure something out with them here soon. Yeah, see Icy up underneath the truck. And I believe Chief's on the other side. What are you doing, Chief? Just hanging out, huh? But yep. Yeah. Yep, Chief woke me up this morning. Out here trying to mess with the ladies. Got me up early this morning. We're fitting to jump on the four-wheeler, go down to the Dreamer's Landing, check on the dogs and the chickens. I believe that those guys are supposed to be on their way back today. I don't know if they'll get here tonight or tomorrow morning. But the dogs has been doing good, the chickens have been doing good. Turn this on, turn this on. Reverse. There we go. I'll be back. Domino, stay. Good morning, Eclipse. Good morning. Morning, guys. Good morning. I see chickens and I see doggies and I hear Odin talking to me. How was y'all's night, guys? Domino, I told you to. Hey, go. Get back home. Get home. Get home. You ain't supposed to be down here. Domino, go. Domino, get home. He'll stop again, look back. No, this ain't here, sit here and wait on me. Go home. You know you're not supposed to be down here. Domino's been trying to follow my truck out the driveway and everything else, so I've been having to get on to him about going. Go. Get home. Been having to get on to him about following me everywhere. Do 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 do. These guys ain't been eating a whole lot since Mike and them's been gone. I think they've been sad. It looks like they finally finished their food. I should have brought my little tripod thing. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Wednesday is a jumper. She likes to jump on you. No, get down. Get down. And she's got sharp little claws. Oh. Come on, guys. Over here. Halo. There you go. There you go. You hungry? Y'all eating this morning? Y'all didn't eat much yesterday. They don't know it, but their parents are going to be back tonight. And so far, knock on wood, I don't want to jinx it, they've been some good boys and girls. Alright, make sure the gates are shut. Don't need no axamo dents. Are you sitting there like a good boy, Odin? Are you sitting there like a good boy waiting on Uncle? What's up, buddy? What's up? You done moved yours a little bit. You done moved it a little bit, huh? Are you sitting like a good boy? Come here. Are you sitting like a good boy? Huh? Let's get you some food. Let's get you your morning snack. Get you your morning snack. Yeah? You ain't even got nobody over here to hang out with you, huh? Them two get to hang out together. Odin's normally a little shy when it comes to eating. He's eating a little bit today. I think they're getting comfortable. Now, it's been a few days since they've been gone, but they really wasn't eating very much the first couple of days. I think it was just heat and also just sad. You know, dogs are creatures of comfort. So when things change, they get all weird. Let's go check on the chicks. Good morning, little guys. Oh, y'all need some water. You need some water. Still got plenty of food. You got a little bit of water. But you're going to need some water today. What's up, little guys? I really like this little chicken coop thing here. Works out pretty good. So all is good on the landing. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up, and then I'm going to go ahead and water the chickens. But I'm going to need both hands to do that because I don't know if the pump will be working after a couple of days. So I might have to get it out of the bins here. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Nope, no water, which I figured. So, we have to do it old school way and get it out the bottom of this thing. Let me see if there's any water in here. Oh yeah, there's water in there. Hold on, I'm gonna set you guys up. Set you up. I can get these undone. If I can get them undone. Oh, there it is. There it is. I'll be back. Got water. Let's go ahead and see if I can take you guys with me to do the chickens. Chicken. Good morning, little birds. Good morning, little birds. Let me prop y'all up somehow here. Having to get creative, guys. I don't think that's gonna work. I'll put y'all on the stump. Rinse it out. Rinse it out. Hold on, little birds. And flip it over. Oh. Now they got fresh water. Here you go, guys. There you go. Fresh little water for you. A little agua. I hit my head unless I'm right in the center. I don't know what the purpose of the stick is, but it was there, so I'm gonna put it back. I don't want to be the reason they escape. All right, a little messy, but got them done. So now they got food and fresh water. So we are in there like swimwear. All right, guys, back later on this evening. Oh yeah? Now y'all done got some snacks. Now y'all wanting some attention, huh? I know it. I know it. I know it. I know it. Yeah. Yeah. How about you, Hale? You want some attention? Come here. Yeah, I know it. You want some attention? Wednesday, you're such an attention person. You're trying to take all the attention. All right, guys. Well, happy Saturday it is. It's the weekend. Hopefully you guys are having some fun, taking another step closer to your goals, doing something nice for somebody, but most definitely keeping it real. See y'all tomorrow. Come on.